in every December. What is the essence of Christmas? For me, the essence of Christmas is, from the name itself, it's about Christ. It's about Christ and celebrating the glory of His birth and the reason we celebrate His life through us. That for me, in a nutshell, is the essence of Christmas.
First, sabi is female. Yun. Pero so,
The question is, if you were to celebrate Christmas with someone, who would be and why? If I were to be celebrating Christmas, I'll choose to be with my family again and again. Because for me, Christmas is about family. It's about being with them, and we have 365 days in a year. And I believe most of my days were not spent with them. So I think Christmas is the best time to be with them, to bond with them, and I believe family is the true foundation of love. Thank you, that's all.
Ang sabi niya, to bond with family. Ano to ba ngayon? Mag-start. Okay. Contestant number 2.
The question is, New Year's yes, excuse me. New Year, Kasi na. New Year comes after Christmas season. What resolution do you want to accomplish and why? Siyempre na. First of my resolution, I haven't thought about it, but my resolution will be I won't be negative anymore because I think because being negative will just bring you down, and I will change it to a positive way because the first excuse me, because the people I love wants me to be more positive than negative in the first time. That's all I can say.
thank you. Next. Second.
If my question is, if you were given a chance to talk with Jesus Christ this Christmas, what would you tell him and why? So, if I could given a chance to talk with Jesus Christ, first I will greet him a happy birthday, and I will take that chance to thank him for all the blessings that he had given me throughout the year, and it is the time for me to give this wonderful celebration so that I can impart my blessings to those in need. That's all. Thank you.
Gusto na kausapin si Jesus Christ. Don't worry, sister, kausapin na si Jesus Christ. Okay, guys.
My question is, everyone has his own idea of Christmas. From your personal view, what is Christmas? For me, Christmas is about giving. It's about giving love. God gave His Son to us in order to be with Him. And Jesus Christ is the proof that how much God loves us. He is God, but He gave up His Son on us in order to save us, or in order to be with Him. And from this, we learn how important gift giving is. To give what is important to you, to your loved one, even though it's not, and also to the other people. That's all.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
The question is, this Christmas, what is the greatest gift you can give to your parents? The greatest gift that I can give to my parents is my time. Time, love, and affection. I don't know why, because
Ano yung partner?
even Mr. Webster can't define the time, love, and affection to your parents. That would be all. Thank you.
Partner, ano yung time para sa'yo?
Can I call my...
May I call mine?
Very, very interpreter.
Question. If you're given a chance to celebrate Christmas in another place, where would it be and why? And with whom?
Pinagdagan.
Kabikon!
Sa bohol.
Ako na ba? Sagutin ko lang sa and why? With whom?
If I'm given a chance to celebrate Christmas with other place, I think anywhere, as long as I'm with my family and with my relatives, and we celebrate Christmas. That's all.
Ang tanong isang lugar, hindi anywhere, lahat ng lugar. Okay, last.
Last but not the least,
Ang tinaguri ang ano? Ang babae mo ng pakpak. Oh, nice smile. Interpreter din? Kailangan din? Juris, naku. Sige na. Maglakad ka na. Para mabuhat.
Ay, ang ganda.
Pinuntan. If you were a gift, what gift is it and why? Gift? Hindi. Regalo na lang. Sige na. G-I-F-T. Gift.
Gift ba? Siya ng gift mo. Busog ka na. Sino?
If I were a gift, I want my friends, family that loves me for who I am. That's all. Thank you.
Bakit ano ka ba? Suwa yan? Ano ka ba? Tao ka ba talaga? Okay. Question. Sino gusto niyo maging ano? Miss Sia?
4-4.
Miss Sia? Sino?
maging Mrs. CM.
O, sino nga? Sino mong bet nyo? Lahat! Wait lang. Ang tanong, Miss, hindi ano, Miss. Garcia, di ba? Di Garcia. Malapit na. Okay. Sino nga? Siya? Say? Say. O, sino? Palakpak daw. Sabi niya, ano? Best sabi niya. O, umalis ka na. Diyan ako na. O, sino gusto kay Lizel? Masakit? Kay partner? Baklang. Easter. O, ikaw na. Siya. Matari ka talaga. O, dito. Kabalo ka. O, si siya. Sino sinyo? Milot. Sumigaw ko pa. Si John Ray. Si Reynard. Dito. Dito. Oscar, sinong bet mo? Andrea. Sa girls, sino?
Sa girls, kala ko sa guys.
Sa girls mo yan.
Sa girls lahat sila deserving. So, sino manalo?
O sister, sino gusto mo? Si Garcia. Maganda talaga ako kay Taylor. Okay.
Iba talaga definition ng maganda sa Islam. Hindi tinanong yun.
So while we're waiting for tabulation,